Hey everybody, I'll get to the package in just a moment. I just want to set it up really quickly. You know, I like to do a lot of stuff for Halloween season. Remember Jason, July, August, September, October, November. That whole hunt season, I love to go to events. I try to get on the media list for certain events, but because of the size of my channel, it doesn't always work. But when I'm invited to a media preview, I'm super grateful. It helps a small channel to get things out sooner before it gets buried by larger channels. But I'm grateful to just get an email. That's already amazing. I came home last night. My friend Brian, or Flo Bria, he went to work later than I did. He was home when this came in the mail. It arrived through FedEx. And so it was a surprise to me. I knew they were going to be sending something, but I thought it could be just an envelope with some lanyards, which would be amazing already. I'm not like going, oh, but no. There's a lot more than just that. So when I came home, I found it in the apartment already, which is already like really cool. Like it just appeared in my apartment. Just mysteriously. I mean, except for the label that said FedEx, so it's not that much of a mystery, but still, it's pretty cool. So, on one side of the box, this really cool clown face, hand-drawn, of course, which is already amazing. Like, I haven't even opened the box, and I'm already like, this is amazing. And on the other side, Giggles. Well, from Giggles. I removed the address label because pretty obvious why. So let's take a look at what's inside. Yeah. So, oh, okay. That is awesome. Already, like, that's just good theming right there. And a letter from Giggles. So Kirby Farms Scary Train, that is where I'll be going in a couple of weeks. That's I'll leave a link in the description to the website. It's really cool. So this is, we invite you and a guest, which will be Brett, to our media event on Saturday, September 25th, 2021, from 7 to 9 p.m. Your name will be at the gate, and I'm not going to read the whole thing, but it's just more detail about what it is. It's, well, Scary Train. So the Scary Train is one of the attractions. Clownwoods, which sounds pretty cool. Trailer Park, which I actually did see some video of it last year. It looked really awesome. Dark Ride, which is really cool. Again, I'm not going to read the whole thing. If you like to read more about it, please do visit their website. And Bloomtown Beast. Interesting. Please read all warnings prior to registration. So that's always good as well. Just going to put that over here. And oh, this is cool. An insulated cup. Actually, I use a lot of Yetis when I go to work because they clip on my belt well. But I'm about to move, which is why hopefully this video still looks good. I'm in the process of moving, and some of my stuff is kind of around. But when I'm moving, I don't need a sealed bottle, and I'll definitely use this a lot. This is really nice. And at the top it says, "Don't miss the train. Admit party of 2." That's pretty cool. But I think there's something inside. So, oh, it's taped. So the lid doesn't come off, you know, in transit. So I don't know. I think it's like a beach ball or something, which is cool. And ah! Of course, giggles. A beach ball. Where did I get beach ball from? That's hilarious. Oh my gosh. And this really cool pocket watch with a train on it. It keeps going. This is amazing. And see if it opens. It not only opens, but it's bloody on the inside. The level of detail that went into this, and the packing order, and this is amazing. I used to wish that, like, when Universal would send out like the severed hand with like an old phone for an immediate invite, like, I used to think that was awesome, and I was like, I wish I could be one of those important channels one of these days that gets that. You know what? This is better than the severed hand. Because what am I going to do with the severed hand? This thing, I can use all year. It's not only awesome, it's practical. See if there's anything. There's more. There's a rat. It's a squishy rat. And a little spider. Oh. And a little sticker that says giggles. And some confetti. And then, of course, some tissue paper to hold it all in so it functions properly. Pops out and holds everything together. Wow. This is so amazing. Like, I feel unworthy of this. This is a lot. Like, so much thought went into every little detail of this. This is amazing. So I was already excited about this event, but this is really, really cool. So thank you very much to Kirby Farm for not only inviting me, but for taking the time to put this all together like this, just for me. And I guess for Brett as well, because he's coming along to help me, because it's a lot to cover and I need help. So, I mean, just, you saw, like, all these different little details is awesome. So again, in a couple weeks, I'll be up there shooting as much video and photos and maybe some Instagram things as well, whatever. But I don't know. Thank you for doing this, and thank you for watching, because obviously this is all to make content for you guys. And I guess that's all there's to say about that. This is a lot to take in. Like, I don't feel like I'm this important, but I guess they disagree, which is amazing. This pocket watch. But with that, I say Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit to the gift shop.